So let's talk about Speedgrader real fast, and this is how you'll grade things in Canvas once students turn them in. So this is a test student. This is me when I look at it in student view. But if you were looking at your whole gradebook, you have options here to click these three dots, and you can sort by, you can open up Speedgrader. This is a great option. If you click this, it will allow you to message all the students in your course who didn't score at least an 80%, who didn't turn in something, or if you want to congratulate students who turned in an assignment and they made a 100, you can integrate as points or percentages. You can download anything like that. To see all of your students' assignments, to just go down a list, you would just click sort by, and then you would just open up with Speedgrader. But for this purpose, we're going to click this test student and click this little arrow here. And I'm going to click the word Speedgrader, and we're going to open up test student's assignment. So for this one, they had to create an ABC about community, and so that is her response right there, was ABC. And again, that's just a test student. So you can give them a 100 if you would like. You can add in a comment about how they did. You can add in a soundbite that you want to leave them. You can make a little video. If you want them to review a file or a website or anything like that, you can attach it there. So you can make a comment, great job, and click submit. And you have graded your assignment in Speedgrader. So pretty simple. Sometimes too, your kids will leave comments over here on the assignments to maybe say why they turned in something late or if they had trouble with something. And then it'll update in your gradebook and you will be all set. And that is Speedgrader.